What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking the Mustang over to the shop to get all the fluids changed, install some O2 eliminators, and kind of detail it. It's pretty dirty from sitting for so long, but I did pick up some new sensors, which I think are going to help pass emissions with this thing. I also got a new foam cannon for the pressure washer, so that should be pretty fun. I've never actually used one of those, so they always look pretty cool, so we'll see if they actually work. But once we get the fluids changed, we'll get this thing on the road, do some rolling shots. I really want to show you guys what this thing looks like cruising. It's such a cool looking car. I've always been a fan of the Mustang. I've had like 3 of them. This one, I just love the body style of the 03s. When I was originally looking, I was looking at an SVT Cobra. My heart was set on an SVT Cobra. I love the sound of the superchargers, but when I saw this thing with 30,000 miles, it was just hard to pass up. I like the the Roush body kit. Everything looks so good. Funny thing, I actually have these chrome letters that I bought before I actually bought the Mustang, and I still have them. I was so set on buying the Cobra that I bought these before the car and never ended up getting it, but I do still have those, which I think is pretty funny. But I'll probably hang those on the wall in the next garage I have, but we'll see. So let's head to the shop, get this thing tuned up, and then we'll get some rolling shots, show you guys what this thing looks like. I'll see you in a second. All right, guys, so we're here at the shop. We're gonna start by detailing this engine bay. We're gonna spray this thing off, pressure wash it, try and detail it the best we can, and then we're gonna foam cannon the entire car just to see if we can clean this thing up. I got some tire shine, a few other things. We'll get it detailed, then we're gonna throw those sensors in. Then we're gonna get some rolling shots to get this thing driving. One of my brothers is gonna hang out of the back of my truck and get some shots of this thing on the road. So throw you guys on the tripod, get a time lapse going, so enjoy. All right, guys, well, there she is. She's definitely better, but she's not perfect. Definitely a lot shinier than what she was. Now that she's all clean, we're gonna get the oil changed. I already swapped out the sensors for the O2 eliminators. Hopefully now we can get this thing to pass emissions, but in the meantime, we're gonna go get some rolling shots and so show you what it looks like on the road. So stay tuned. All right, guys, well, that's going to wrap up today's video. Wanted to keep it short just to show you what that thing looks like on the road. It turned out pretty good. It cleaned up really well. I don't know, maybe I have to keep it after seeing how good it looks. It's like getting a new car because it's been sitting in my garage for so long. But I'm still looking at new projects. I don't know, I'm really leaning towards that C8 Corvette. It just looks really cool. I think the platform's awesome. You can really crank that power up and get a lot of performance out of it. And I don't know, we'll see. But next week we're doing that car cruise. We're gonna do about 350 miles on this thing. So we'll get it up there. I'm gonna get new tires this week so that we don't have any issues, because those things are like dry rotted from sitting for so long. But thanks for watching. This is gonna wrap up today's video. Like I said, I wanted to keep it short. Just wanna show you guys what this thing looks like. But until next time, peace.